Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send files in Discord on PC. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. You can send files in direct messages with your friends or in text channels on your servers. To create a server, you need to click on the plus icon, create your own server for you and friends or club or community, name your server, upload image or do it later. Click on Create. Now you have a server with one voice channel and one text channel. To send a file, you need to click on plus icon, upload a file, select a file from your computer. This is the preview page. You can add a comment to your file and just hit enter to send. Now all chat members can see this file, and keep in mind that you can send files up to 10 megabytes in free version and 500 megabytes with Discord Nitro subscriptions. And that's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.